Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to contact Stash support from the app. So to get started with that, to contact Stash support directly from the app, follow this simple step. So the first thing to do is to open the Stash app, then launch the Stash app on your mobile device and log into your account. Then from there, tap on your profile icon, typically located in the upper left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Help or Support to access the Help Center. Then next thing to do is within the help center, you will find a video support option like a live chat, email support, and phone support. So for live chat, engage a real-time messaging with a support representative. Then on the email support, send an email details about your issues to the support team at support@stash.com. Then if it is phone support, call the Stash customer service at 800-205-5164. So the support is available between Monday through the Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And that's it.